Hey art friends, Mrs. Talbot here in the JKB Art Studio, and we're going to combine the 2D shapes we see in Mondrian's artwork with a 3D form. This is going to be super awesome, guys. You're going to need something square to trace, like a post-it note. You'll need 4 colors: black, blue, red, and yellow. I'm using colored pencils, but you can use whatever you have: crayons, markers, Sharpies, whatever you've got. Glue, scissors, and a piece of white paper. Right. The thing I like about post-it notes is they don't move when you're tracing them. At the bottom, I'm going to stick it on there. Trace around it. You can use whatever color you want for this. I like black because I can see what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going to line this up. To the side. To the other side. You're a little short on room, it is okay. See, I just lost a little bit of room, it's all right. And one on top. Okay, we're gonna make some tabs. Here's what you do. I'm looking at the one on the right. Diagonal, straight, diagonal. It's gonna be like a windmill. Okay. Tab, nothing, tab, diagonal, straight, diagonal. Notice it's a little wonky. It's okay, that part's gonna be hiding. Tab, nothing, tab, nothing, tab, nothing, tab, nothing. Now wait, Miss Talbot, cubes have 6 sides. We're going to do a 5-sided one. It's going to be open on the bottom. These are just a little bit easier to assemble if you're working by yourself. If you're wanting to make a real cube that's completely solid, you would trace another square up here. As you can see, I don't have room on my size of paper, so I am happy leaving the bottom of my cube open. It's okay. So we're going to cut this out. And if I'm going too fast on any of it, you are welcome to rewind, fast forward, pause, whatever you need to do. That's one of the advantages to learning at home. All right, let's Mondrian this up. So use a ruler or a straight edge, and we're gonna do all kinds of vertical, up and down, and horizontal, side to side, black lines. All kinds of vertical and horizontal black lines. You can draw them any way you want. Try not to make them diagonal. It looks more Mondrian-like if you keep them horizontal and vertical, straight up and down, great side to side. And they can be any which way, spacing wise. They can be close together, they can be far apart. They can go partially across, it doesn't have to go all the way across. If you want to make some interesting little shapes like this, you can. So there is no wrong way to make your vertical and horizontal black lines. Yours is probably going to look a lot different, and that's good. It would be boring if everybody's art looked the same. I've got my colors here, red, yellow, and blue. These are primary colors, and they were Mondrian's favorites. So let's start coloring in some of our shapes. Mondrian liked to leave a lot of white, negative space, so it's best if you don't color every single space. We have it colored, we're going to start folding it. So we're going to fold that square in, that square in, all the way around. You see how they're folded? Now we're going to start folding down the tabs. That one's folded. That one's folded. Do you see how I've got the tabs folded in? One tab at a time. You're going to put a little bit of stick glue on the tab. Tuck it under the square next to him and hold it for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The warmth from your hand helps the glue work. Kind of put the glue on this tab mid-air just because it's becoming a 3D shape. Glue on the tab. Stick the tab to his neighbor. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next. Glue on the tab. Hold it down, count to 10. I'll count in my head this time. Okay, one more tab. And there we go. That is our finished project. Look how cool that is. looks like Mondrian, but in 3D. You could even turn it over and use it as a little cup. How nifty is that?